In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact to your PayPal address book and sync it with your PayPal account. This is a really handy feature if you often send payments to the same people or businesses and want to streamline the process. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open your browser and head over to the PayPal website. Once you're there, you'll see the familiar homepage. At the top right corner, you'll notice the login button. Click on this to initiate the login process. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and your password. Make sure you have these handy. After entering your details, go ahead and click the login button, and you should be all set and looking at your PayPal dashboard. Now that you're in, look towards the top of the screen where you'll see the Pay and Get Paid tab. Click on that and you'll be presented with various payment options. Under the Make Payments section, one of the options you'll see is Send Payments. Click on this option to proceed. In the next step, you'll need to click on More to expand additional options. You'll see an option labeled Create an Invoice. Click on this and then look for the Get Started button and give it a click. This will take you to a screen where you manage your invoices and contacts. On this new page, you'll see a button labeled Create New. Click it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Customer. This will bring up options related to your contacts. Now click on Create New Customer. Here you can input the details of the new contact you want to add to your PayPal address book. You'll need to fill in the necessary details of the new contact, such as their name, email, and any other relevant information you have. It's important to double check these details to avoid any errors in future transactions. Once you've filled out the information, you'll see the Add Customer button. Click this once you're done and your new contact will be added to your PayPal address book. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added a new contact to your PayPal account. This will make future transactions quicker and easier, as PayPal will store this information for you. Remember, managing your contacts effectively can save you a lot of time and hassle, especially if you're frequently sending payments to the same individuals or companies. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide informative and easy to follow.